Peregrine Falcon, the life of a predator at maximum speed. While jets and high-speed cars are impressive, there's something truly awe-inspiring about the true speedster of nature, the Peregrine Falcon. Clocking in at incredible speeds during hunting dives, these raptors redefine the meaning of fast. What allows them to achieve such mind-blowing speeds, and how do they survive hurtling through the air at a pace that could rupture lungs or tear through the air passages of other animals? Stay tuned to find out. Appearance. The peregrine falcon, also simply called the peregrine, or historically known as the duck hawk in North America, is revered for its grace and speed. This majestic bird of prey belonging to the Falconidae family has up to 19 species. You can spot a peregrine by its bluish-gray wings and tail with a dark brown back and head. It has black bars on its white or yellowish-white belly. Sometimes you'll notice a tear-shaped mark on its cheeks. This mark helps reduce glare from strong sunlight, especially in regions with intense sunlight. Its snowy white chin and neck are encircled by a vivid yellow ring around each eye, complemented by a heavy bill, also yellow and tipped black. The upper beak has a small notch near the end. This helps the bird to quickly catch and kill its prey by severing the spinal column at the neck. Adult peregrine falcons have a wingspan of up to 3.5 feet. They have dark brown bars on their white chest that can be seen when their wings are spread out. Their long, tapered wings boast a straight trailing edge during flight, while the tail, relatively long, measures between 5.1 to 7.5 inches. The adult's back and long pointed wings typically range from bluish-black to slate gray with subtle black wingtips. Male and female peregrines look similar, but females are much bigger, about 30% larger than males. In most subspecies, males weigh less than 25 ounces, while females can weigh up to 28 ounces, with instances of females weighing approximately 50% more than their male breeding partners not uncommon. Habitat. Ever wonder where you can find these magnificent birds of prey? Peregrine falcons inhabit almost every continent except Antarctica and many small islands in the oceans. They are highly adaptable creatures, but Antarctica's extreme weather conditions make it challenging for them to find enough food to sustain their young. Peregrines that breed in Arctic regions often migrate long distances during the winter months. Typically, you'll find peregrines residing in diverse habitats such as mountain ranges, river valleys, and coastlines where bird populations are abundant. They prefer nesting spots along coastal and inland cliffs or open woodlands near water sources. Interestingly, some peregrines even make their nests on tall buildings in cities or use nests built by other bird species in trees. While the peregrine falcon is found in many regions around the world, it is not abundant in any specific area due to its position at the apex of the food chain. They rely on a strong bird population below them for food, and their hunting prowess means they're not found in large numbers in any specific region. However, they need particular nesting spots like cliffs or tall buildings, which can be rare in some places. These remarkable birds are also known for their long-distance travel, sometimes even crossing continents, as they move between their wintering and breeding grounds. North American peregrines offer a great example of this diversity. While some groups stay put year-round in places like Alaska, the Midwest, the Northeast, the Southwest, or along the western coastline, others are true adventurers. Peregrine falcons breeding in the far north undertake remarkable migrations spanning an astonishing round trip of 15,500 miles. This exceeds by 3,000 miles the distance between the Earth's north and south poles that a peregrine falcon could traverse. Hunting. Peregrine falcons aren't just known for their ability to travel long distances, but also for their incredible hunting skills and astonishing speed. They are masterful hunters, setting impressive records with their speed. With their robust physique and remarkable swiftness, they employ a hunting technique that involves soaring high and then rapidly diving down toward their prey. During this dive, known as a stoop, they fold back their tail and wings with their feet tucked close. Their prey is usually seized mid-air as the peregrine strikes with talons clenched, reaching incredible speeds of over 200 miles per hour. Upon impact, they swiftly catch their prey and, if necessary, drop it to the ground for consumption. Even if the initial strike is missed, peregrines display remarkable agility in chasing their prey through twisting flights. Peregrine falcons primarily hunt during dawn and dusk when their prey is most active. They may even hunt nocturnally in urban environments, especially during migration periods. These skilled hunters require open spaces for hunting, often scanning over water bodies, marshlands, valleys, fields, and tundra from high perches or in flight. Sometimes pairs of peregrines cooperate in hunting, with one member disrupting a flock of birds while the other targets a specific individual. This cooperative behavior is commonly observed during the breeding season. The peregrine falcon has a diverse diet, preying on small to medium-sized birds as well as rabbits and other mammals active during the day. They have a broad appetite, estimated to include between 1,500 to 2,000 bird species worldwide, which is roughly 1/5 of all bird species. These falcons are known to target a wide range of birds, from large ones like sandhill cranes to tiny hummingbirds. Their prey selection encompasses various species such as shorebirds, ducks, grebes, gulls, pigeons, and songbirds. In addition to birds, peregrine falcons also include bats in their diet, and they occasionally pilfer prey like fish and rodents from other birds of prey. Their adaptability and predatory prowess make them formidable hunters across a vast array of habitats and ecosystems. Speed. So, what sets these birds apart as the undisputed fastest in the world? Well, in flight, they usually maintain normal speeds ranging between 40 to 60 miles per hour. However, it's when they dive to catch prey that they unleash their super speed, reaching mind-blowing velocities. This remarkable ability not only makes them the fastest bird in the world, but also the fastest animal on the planet. The highest measured speed of a peregrine falcon is 242 miles per hour. This is a feat that even the mighty golden eagle can't compete with. Even the strong golden eagle can't match that speed, as it can only fly at around 150 miles per hour, which is still impressive, but notably slower than that of the peregrine falcon. What makes the peregrine falcon such a deadly predator? It's all in their special features. They have a large keel, which means more muscle power for flapping and generating speed. Their pointed wings are swept back, helping them maintain their streamlined shape and reach those mind-boggling speeds. Not just that, their feathers are slim and stiff, reducing any drag that could slow them down. They are finely tuned speed machines, making them one of nature's most fearsome hunters. While flying fast is exhilarating, how does the peregrine falcon manage to breathe at such extraordinary velocities? While other birds might have trouble breathing even at half the speed, this awesome bird has no problem keeping up its breathing even when it's flying over 200 miles per hour. It's all thanks to its remarkably efficient respiratory and circulatory systems. For humans, such speeds would be a lung-straining nightmare. The rushing air would feel like a forceful blow to the diaphragm, rendering inhalation nearly impossible. Muscles would cramp from lack of oxygen, and loss of consciousness would likely occur before reaching the 200-mile-per-hour mark. Yet the peregrine falcon is uniquely adapted. The intense pressure during a dive could potentially harm a bird's lungs. However, small, bony tubercles on a falcon's nostrils are believed to redirect the powerful airflow away, easing breathing by minimizing changes in air pressure. This, coupled with a one-way airflow system into its lungs, enables the peregrine falcon to breathe effortlessly even in high-speed dives. Additionally, air sacs keep the lungs inflated during exhalation. To safeguard its eyes during rapid descents, the peregrine falcon employs nictating membranes, acting as third eyelids to clear debris and spread tears while maintaining vision. Moreover, its robust heart beats between 600 and 900 times per minute, facilitating rapid oxygen distribution throughout its body and preventing quick fatigue. This incredible heart rate also allows the peregrine falcon to flap its wings up to 4 times per second, contributing further to its remarkable speed. Decline and conservation. Despite their amazing ability to fly at astonishing speeds, peregrine falcons have faced a tumultuous past. In the 1950s, peregrine falcon populations worldwide experienced a sharp decline, sending alarm bells ringing throughout conservation circles. The culprit behind this decline? A widely used pesticide known as dichlororodiphenyltrichloroethane, DDT. During this era, DDT was liberally sprayed on farmlands, inadvertently infiltrating the food chain. As top predators, peregrine falcons absorbed significant quantities of DDT from their prey, including fish and other birds. The accumulation of DDT had dire consequences, disrupting the falcon's calcium metabolism and resulting in the production of eggs with unnaturally thin shells, incapable of withstanding the weight of the parent birds. Consequently, the reproductive success of peregrine falcons plummeted, pushing them perilously close to extinction. In response to this crisis, Canada took the proactive step of banning DDT use in 1969, followed by the United States in 1972. Concurrently, rigorous captive breeding and reintroduction programs were launched in both countries. Over the ensuing 3 decades, more than 6,000 captive-bred progeny were released into the wild. Miraculously, North American populations of peregrine falcons staged a remarkable recovery, with their numbers rebounding to pre-crisis levels. By 1999, the peregrine falcon was no longer classified as endangered, marking a significant conservation success story. In recognition of this achievement, the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, downgraded the status of the peregrine falcon to that of a species of least concern in 2015. Today, populations of these majestic birds have rebounded across much of their range, with sightings of peregrine falcons soaring gracefully through the skies becoming increasingly common in regions around the world.